Welcome to Digital You. In this video, we will provide you a list of best landing page builders. Now, the first and one of the best option is Unbounce. So, Unbounce is the easiest way to build and test custom landing pages. So, it's a landing page builder and A/B testing software. Another great option is Leadpages. Another great tool, and it has different templates shown on the screen. Leadpages, Landingi page builder. Using all these tools, you can create a landing page without coding. Instapage, Planter app, and Wishpond. So these are some of the best landing page builders. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe